So when you take short position, the profit is going to be what? Minus maximum K minus ST 0 plus P. Is okay. Which is the same as minimum of.
Is it K minus ST or ST minus K?
Come again?
Is it K minus ST or ST?
No, we are looking at put, so it's K minus ST.
Oh, okay.
So it's used as minimum of ST minus K 0 plus P. Is okay. Now let's look at when price is let's say we said the strike price was what 40. That's what we used. So if the strike price is 40 here, I'm going to make it 40. So let's say if the stock price is below 40, right? If the stock price is below 40, the stock price can be, and it will get to it gets to what? 0, right? Well, that is the maximum, the minimum that you can only have. We want to pick the minimum, and the minimum that you can have is when the stock price is 0. So the minimum will be 40. Is okay. Hold on, is okay. Because you know why we are picking the minimum, because once it is minimum, it means the person, somebody has exercised that right, and you are going to make a loss. I'm not feeling the vibe. It seems you guys understand.
Yeah, I just want other people to answer. That's what I'm listening.
Come again?
I want other people to answer. So that's
yeah. It seems they don't understand. I don't know. Anderson, Uchi, Prudential, Test. Should I continue? Is it okay?
Yeah, please continue.
All right. Okay, so that means ST minus 40. The minimum, we said we should always pick the minimum, and the minimum occurs only when the stock price is above 40. It's okay. Because if the stock price is above 40, it is no more minimum. We pick 0. So it is only when, and the stock price can reduce up to it gets to 0. So the maximum minimum that we can have is minus P.
Yeah.
So it's minus K, right? Plus P. So that becomes the maximum loss. So the maximum loss. That's the maximum loss. And it's always, I said it's the reverse. You know, it was K minus P, right?
Yeah.
Now this one is now what? Minus K plus P. That's the reverse of it. It's the same thing. It's okay.
Yeah, it's the same as K minus.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, the reverse of the maximum profit, the maximum profit now becomes P, right? Because it is only when the stock price rises above. It is only when if the stock prices rise above K, right? So you have this minimum of ST minus K. So if the stock price rises above K, that means you are not going to exercise that right. That person will pay only P. So the maximum profit will be P.
Yeah.
It's okay. So that means the maximum profit also becomes P. And it's the same as the maximum loss of the other one.
Yeah.
It's okay. Right. If that's okay, then I presume once they acquire it means they also understand it. So I'm moving on to the next one. So let's look this one. An investor buys European put on one share for $3. So that means the price of the put is equal to $3.